My name is Jordan Rice, and I work for the corporate office in Birmingham. I have been with the company almost 5 years, 4 years spent at Farley Nuclear Plant, and almost a year here at corporate. I initially was going to go to medical school. My dad was talking to me, and he really encouraged me to pick an undergrad that didn't require additional school if I chose not to pursue medical school after the 4 years. So he encouraged me to look at engineering, and I chose mechanical, and it really worked out perfect. I couldn't be happier that I chose to do engineering and stick with it and not go to medical school. In college, my senior design sponsor was the lead instructor for the new nuclear minor at Auburn. And he really wanted to be able to have something to demonstrate the different stuff and the different equipment in a nuclear power plant. So he wanted us, being his first group, to design a pressurized loop. So that included a small pressurizer, a pump, and like a vessel that held water. Our reactor was like a hot plate that heated up so much, but we actually designed it in the first semester and then put it together and built it in the second. And it was the coolest thing, being able to put everything that we had learned in school, from thermodynamics to fluid mechanics and heat transfer, put it all together, use my own hands, and be a part of something where we actually drew a bubble in this little tiny pressurizer. There's only a couple of pounds worth of pressure, but it was the coolest thing. And this was well before I knew I would be working with Southern Nuclear one day, but it was really awesome. It was the coolest thing and proudest moment to actually see it work. You know, theoretically it should, and then after you put it together, you're really just fingers crossed that it happens, and it was awesome. They still continue to use it today. They have added on actually from it, so it's really cool that they can continue to add to it. So that was the start, and then they added, and they're adding other systems and valves and pumps, so it's actually neat that it still exists. As an engineer, always pursuing excellence, whether it's in the quality of the work that we're providing or internalizing the importance of your role or job within the organization. So for me, with in-service inspection, it is a regulatory required program, and we get an opportunity at each unit, each site, during every outage to interact with NRC. So it's a good opportunity to maintain our regulatory health, make sure we're maintaining our code compliance. My program is important. It's important to me to be successful and make Southern Nuclear excellent through making my program excellent. So I think that's the best way I can describe it, is internalizing it and making it really work for your program.